this Cycplus pump has just arrived, and I've just tested it. So I've blown up 3 tyres on my motorhome and my bicycle. So now that I've sort of vaguely learned how to do it, let's have a look how well it works. I've connected the hose to the tyre, so I'm going to press this here. Somebody will complain about me having dirty hands, but I mean, this is what you expect when I'm blowing things up. Now I've already programmed this here, so 5.5 bar for the rear tyre here. You've also got possibilities for using it on, oops, sorry, you put it up like that, but if I press this thing here down, that's blowing up balloons, which I don't think I'll be doing. It also comes with a balloon attachment. That's what I've put for my bicycle, 5.1. I'd probably put from a bicycle, actually I'd normally probably do that a bit higher than that. So I've got the best tyres I could find for it, and but I was a bit fearful the first time of using it. And what's that for? That's for scooters, mopeds. So this is for the rear of the motorhome. Let's press this button and blow it up. Has to lay flat, it makes a fair bit of noise, but I'm very impressed with this on the first use. So, gives an idea of how quick it lasted. Charging it up was quite quick using the USB-C, and I think it's supposed to come with a mains charger or something as well, but there wasn't. I didn't get one. But anyway, nonetheless, it's or maybe you're supposed to have it already. I don't know. But anyway, the USB charged it up in no time. Also comes with a light around the side there, and the hose attachment. It's really good, really easy. I'm very impressed by this. It'd be really useful for me. And I was also considering, I hadn't blown up my tires for a while. I know we should check them on a monthly basis. When you're living off grid, it's not always that easy. But well, that's my excuse. But anyway, I think this is very good, and there'll be a link where you can get one should you be interested as well. Thanks for watching.